All right. Well, I am recording right now in real time. I believe that I am recording myself sitting here. I'm not sure, but one of the things I'm going to do right now is try to take off the webcam and actually show you a video here. And so let's go to the back button this way and back again because I was on this NASA live stream and I'm looking at, unfortunately, they don't have it right now. This looks like they're almost coming up over Florida right now. It's okay. It's right now for the position to. Let's go to the full screen, and you can see down here it has the positioning of the International Space Station right here, I believe. I think that's it. And the reason I say that is because down below it's a lot of lights, and if this was it here, the white one, then it would be over the Pacific Ocean, and that would be very dark down below. So I'm guessing it is where the yellow one is. And here we see down here the trajectory and the date and everything. And this is a live stream. And sometimes I like to record this because they go over some areas where you can see the aurora borealis. And they just had that recently. So let me back up and see if I can find. Look at that. Right there it is. So now I'm backing up and we're coming onto the aurora borealis. So let's see what that looks like. All right, we'll put this down out of the way. It's the first time I've used this recording software. We'll see how it works out. So I'm going to minimize the screen right now. Go a little bit further forward and we'll get into the thick of this aurora borealis. Look at that. I believe that's what that is. I'm not really sure. It says over Katavi, Tanzania. Well, that's over Africa, so that certainly can't be the aurora borealis. What is all that green? I don't know. Maybe there's a lot of magnetism there for some reason, and there's a aurora borealis going on. It's kind of hard for me to explain that, but I just wanted you to see this and hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for dropping by. This is Tyler, and I'm going to be gone now. And if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I'll pause that, pull this down, and then we're going to turn off our camera mode. Let's see. I'm not sure where it went to down here. Yeah, and then I guess we're going to find this application that we're recording on. And it is right here. Oops, I just muted it. There we go. And we'll stop. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.